The five-time Olympic gold medalist Elaine Thompson Herah has described reports on her leaving longtime club MVP and coach Stephen Francis as rumors. She made the revelation while appearing as a guest on the NBC sports podcast Brother from Brother, hosted by Michael Smith and Michael Holy.
You know what the news media is like. I'm the fastest one alive, so they're going to create some form of news to try to distract the world, So it's rumors, of course, rumors, because I've seen articles in the media that I've died before, more than once. So it's always rumors in the media. They always target me. I don't know why.
Thompson Herah also shared her thoughts on how those rumors might have begun.
Probably because I didn't show up at practice. I'm still on my rest period, so, probably a person might be speculating why she's not at practice. But, we just came back from international circuit, and we normally get rest like a month or 4 week rest. I'm in my second week, so probably just assuming when I'm not in practice. The word is like, I'm not in practice, so they're going to spread rumors to say, she's probably not coming back, or, stuff like that.
Thompson Herah says her status as a globally recognized figure meant she was an easy target for the rumors.
I'm a celebrity now, I'm a superstar, I'm an international celebrity, so people are always going to try to create stuff for you to break you, and my job is to make sure myself is always on 2 foot standing, not one. So no one is ever going to try to break Elaine Thompson Herah, because my main part is just continue my journey and the mission that I am on. So I don't let negativity break me or comments. I think I use them as my motivation.
Reports had surfaced yesterday that the two-time double Olympic gold medalist was to be conditioned by her husband Darren Herah, and that she had parted company with her longtime coach Stephen Francis. MVP President Bruce James confirmed. He said that Thompson Herah was just reviewing her options.
Just that she's reviewing her options at this time. All right? But as you have her coach, she's reviewing her options at this time.
Thompson Herah is also reported to be switching gears sponsorship from Nike to a mega Puma deal. In the best season of her career this year, the Tokyo Olympic triple gold medal winner improved her personal best in the 100 meters to 10.54 seconds and her 200 meters best to 21.53 seconds.